On January 15, 1919, Boston faced an unusual catastrophe known as the Great Molasses Flood. A massive storage tank burst, releasing over 2 million gallons of molasses into the streets. The sticky deluge rushed through the city at an astonishing speed, engulfing buildings and sweeping away everything in its path. The flood caused significant damage, destroying homes and leading to 21 deaths. Eyewitnesses reported the scent of molasses lingering in the air long after the chaos. Investigations revealed negligence by the company responsible for the tank. This bizarre disaster remains a poignant reminder of the sometimes unpredictable nature of industry and the havoc it can wreak when safety is compromised.